Hey everybody, John Hughes here. Beautiful Sunday morning. It's 55 right now. It was 41 when I woke up here in Miami, Florida. So this is winter. And I'm just doing a follow-up on the papayas. You can see behind me, that's what they look like when they get big. And when they get to be about the point where you're gonna fall off a ladder to get them, time to cut them down, but you wanna have other ones started. So I showed you how to plant them, and it truly is that easy, and I wanna show you what became of that. So let's take a look. Over here, I have a tiny little garden, and this was all actually started from seeds from plants that I ate. So one of my real prides here is these are little green bell pepper plants, actually yellow and red. And I just took the seeds out of some organic ones that I picked, and I put them in those little Jiffy Pop things, and it sprouted, and I planted them, and you can actually see down in below, that's what those Jiffy things look like you get at the garden center. And then here I have a couple different kinds of tomato plants growing. And what's really cool, if you look real carefully, let's see if I can get the camera there. I've got some tomatoes growing, look at that. Okay, but what I wanted to show you was this pot. These are baby papayas, and all I had done was threw the seeds in the ground just on top and let them do whatever they wanted. And if you look real carefully, there's a bunch of branches there. So that's it. So guys, if you wanna grow papaya plants, buy a papaya, scoop the seeds out of the middle, just throw them in the dirt in a nice sunny, bright spot, throw a little dirt on top. Don't need much, and you really don't even have to do that. And over time, you will have papayas. If you live in a place that's not nice and tropical, put it in a pot, keep it in a window. You can put it inside, outside as the weather permits. So thanks and have a great day.